My name is Mads, and today I'm going to show you 5 different ways of playing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I'm going to do that by showing you 5 different unique styles of music. So you're probably familiar with the first one. That's known as classical music. That's the traditional way of playing this piece. Let me play that for you. Number 2 that I like to play for you now is jazz. Let me show you how that one goes. So for that one, you notice the difference between jazz and classical. The jazz had more of a kind of a groove to it. You felt like, oh, there's something going on there I can snap my fingers to. And I was also in that one using improvisation. So I was just kind of going off the melody, and then I was using my little variations to make it kind of interesting. Number 3 is folk or bluegrass. And here's how that one would go. Okay, so for bluegrass, a key element to that when you play the violin or the fiddle, as people like to call it in the bluegrass setting, is something called shuffle bow. And shuffle bow is continuous movement of the bow back and forth. And what I also add to that is something called the backbeat, where I'm playing the accents on the 2 and 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So next up is number 4, which is pop. And pop style, I'm thinking a little bit here like almost like a U2 stadium kind of vibe for this one. Definitely on that one using rhythm to really drive the tune. And I was also going down here for part of it, a technique that I like to call the chop, where you kind of creating a very, very percussive, short staccato technique that really kind of, again, drives the rhythm throughout this rendition. So number 5, the last style, is rock and roll. And I'm going to take my liberties and play a little bit Jimi Hendrix style for this one. That's rock and roll for you, totally improvised, and also using a little bit of a technique called ponticello on the violin, where you go very close to the bridge. Instead of having a clean sound by ponticello, the sound gets a little bit distorted sounding, and natural distortion, if you will, and of course that's going to work pretty well with that style of music. So that's been a little bit about how to play in different styles of music using a simple tune like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And also make sure to subscribe to this video if you want to see what else I've been up to. And feel free to comment down below if there are different styles you want to see covered, or different videos you're interested in seeing covered. Thanks so much for watching.